I've got 4 polishes here that are custom polishes that I had made for a special occasion. If you've ever wondered how to do it or weren't aware that you could, we're going to be taking a look at the process today. These polishes are from 3 different UK indie makers. There's Opulent Essences, which you may have seen me swatching before, Danglefoots, and Violet Rose. The first polish we're going to take a look at is the one that Danglefoot made for me. The first process was to send Hayley, who is the maker of the polishes, a message on Instagram to ask if she could make one in the time. It was for a gift for someone who very much liked tea. So I thought it would be a fun idea to make a polish along those lines, and I sent her a message and a picture of a cup of green tea and asked her if she could match it without making her nails look too much like zombie nails. And here's what she came up with, which is a splendid version of a cup of green tea in nail varnish form, I think you'll agree. I did have an extra bottle of this polish, so I can swatch it for you. I didn't want to swatch the others because obviously they're gifts and I didn't want to give a half-empty bottle of polish. It goes on beautifully in 2 coats, and because it's a jelly, it's got a lovely transparency to it with all those lovely little holographic particles in it, and it just shines and catches the light so well. I think Hayley did a fabulous job on making this look like the tea that I sent her. You can see those holographic glitters and the flakies just looking like they're suspended in the clear liquid. They really do capture the essence of a cup of green tea. The next 2 polishes are from Opulent Essences. I asked Sharon to create a blue, dark blue, black thermal with holographic flakies in it, and also a pinky red shimmery white polish, and she's done both beautifully. Taking a closer look at the thermal polish, it has a navy sort of look to it in the bottle. When it's on your nails, it does go from a very pale grey to a lovely deep dark navy blue, and it has little curled holographic flakies in it and that beautiful shimmer. It's really pretty. It looks sort of like the evening sky from the light blue fading into the dark. It really does have that engineering quality about it with the steely blue colours, and it goes onto the nail really well in just 2 coats and sparkles with a little bit of glossy top coat to finish it. Next up, this is a pale pink version of Scallywag, which I always loved from Opulent Essences. It's a delicate polish with a pink shimmer through it and also red flakies. It's called Get Wrecked, which seems quite aggressive for such a delicate polish, but it's come out really well. Goes onto the nail in 2 sheer coats, and you can really see the shimmer and those flakies in the close-ups. The next polish is from Violet Rose, and it's called Saffy, and I wanted Emma, the creator of Violet Rose, to create a polish to embody a cat, and I think she's done an amazing job. It really does remind me of the cat. It was even compared, and it did look Very like the cat. Anyway, Emma has done a fantastic job on this polish. It's a multi-chrome magnetic with a black base. So when you use the magnet on it, it draws the pigment into a stripe and leaves a sort of a black base behind on it. It's just such a clever thing, and I think she's done a fabulous job. They've all done a really good job. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video on how to get custom polishes made, and that you get inspired to go and create one with the help of a very talented indie maker, which we have lots of in the UK. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications of my latest video uploads. See you next time.